Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Khalid, and today, day 3 in Yogyakarta. I woke up early at Jogokarian Mosque and feeling a bit tired but still excited for another day. I haven't had breakfast yet, so many stomach was already rumbling. But instead of eating first, I decided to start my morning by going out around Malioboro to sell some donuts with my friend. Uh, at around 8 o'clock, we began walking along the busy streets. The air was already warm, and the sun started to shine brightly. Many people were walking around, shopping, or just enjoying the morning. We greeted them idly and tried to offer our donuts. Some people smiled and bowed them, and that made me really happy, even though I had eaten yet. The excitement keep me going. After sailing for a while, I started feeling a bit tired. The weather was hot and my legs were sore from walking. Still, I enjoyed the experience. It felt fun to meet people, talk to strangers, and learn how to sail in real environment. Today I also decided to move to a new place to stay because I had already spent 2 nights at Yogyakarta Mosque too. It was a comfortable place, but I wanted to rest somewhere new. After moving my stuff, I planned to explore more parts of Yogyakarta. Maybe visit some local spots, enjoy the food, and see more of this beautiful city. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.